Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys, mag-practice naman tayo ng driving guys. Practice driving. At pupunta kami sa grocery at mag-grocery din kami guys. So, samahan ninyo kami guys para solid natin. Practice guys, practice until to be success. So, gabi na dito guys. Tingnan nyo ang kapaligiran. Lapit na walang sunset guys. You know. So, baka mamaya gabi na kami mag-drive guys. So, samahan niyo kami guys sa aming pag-drive at saka pag-grocery. Okay, let's go. No, come here. Hey. Ito ang aking anak guys. There is RJ. Naduda. Palaging nagtatakbo si RJ. Takbo na takbo kahit saan. Kahit sa loob ng bahay magtatakbo. Daddy, come here now. Gabi na dito, Daddy.
Go left.
Close the door. Where we go? Till the end?
Yeah, to the flashing stop sign and turn. Full lane, go straight. That's it. Yep. Walls, full stop.
I forgot two
Okay, you go.
The speed.
You cut the edges really close.
Gabi na, gabi. It's night time. Okay, we go to grocery.
We're in rush hour again.
Yeah.
Late rush. Oh.
Wait.
Go straight.
traffic light.
Stay in your lane. Go. Very good job. That Chuck. A little bit early. He's supposed to do it after this. You pull up a little more. No, we can let all those cars go. Let them go. Okay, good green light. Stay in your lane. Get in the right lane. Up after the bridge. Get in the lane. No brakes. Hard. Good, make your cut. And go slower. Yeah. Okay, slow down, and you gotta swing, now turn. Not that much, but yeah. Nope, you take this lane. Yeah,
Oh.
take both of them. It's okay. Now you took both of them crooked.
Skirt it now. We need to reverse.
I don't think so. Not now. Not with all these cars. We have to stay here.
Wait. Need to reverse.
Okay. Pull in now. Stop. You have enough room to pull up. Cut the wheel.
Skirt it again.
You want it to straighten out. Good stop. Hit the tree.
Yay! We're here. We're here in Winco. It's grocery
You're not at
time.
Winco.
What's that?
You're at Princo.
Winco Foods. Okay guys, we're here now in Winco. Here's RJ. We go now inside. What you do, RJ? What you doing? No, RJ. It's cold, RJ. My goodness. Here's guys the Winco Foods. Like hazy. go, RJ. Okay, I get a cucumber, Daddy. Cucumber. The plastic, RJ.
This
That?
mint
No.
pepper.
What, honey?
Hey, come back, Daddy. Come back. Hey, Daddy.
Tigo na.
Let's go to Daddy. Go to Daddy. Go to Daddy.
There's our Ati, the banana. There's RJ.
In backwards. Yeah.
Hey, go. Hey, Flintstone.
And stands all the way over there
Yeah.
by the other side of the store.
Hey, go. There is. There's RJ.
We have dishwasher soap.
Yeah, we buy that in Smith's. What?
We got enough for a couple of weeks.
Yeah, have two that we buy. Okay, we go, RJ.
Hey, come here.
There you go. So big, this grocery. Get your Flintstone?
We'll
Oh.
go somewhere else.
So expensive, $9. My goodness. Here he is.
Look at the other ones that have like a tab. Go get the other.
Burger buns. What RJ? What you show me?
Ben, you better go there.
What, you want to buy that?
Yeah.
No, no, you not buy that. Okay. Today we will now outside. There's RJ and Daddy. Okay, here is the Winco. Winco food, there it is. Daddy driving now. There's Mark
Hi,
Bruno.
please have your loyalty number ready and an order taker will be right with you. And is that all?
No, 1 quarter pounder, 1 medium coffee with 3 creams. You want fries, RJ?
That's all?
One
And-
price, RJ.
And an order of fries.
What size? Small, medium, or large?
Premium.
Medium. Sure.